My name is Eric Mooney with SkipperBud's, and we're going to walk through a 2023 WorldCat 260 center console. This boat's equipped with twin Mercury 200 horsepower outboards. And walking back to the transom, you can see this nice, substantial boarding platform and boarding ladder going up through the center of the boat. It's nice because it has 3 rings, super wide, and then it just locks in with 2 magnets. So it's easy to open up and then easy boarding on and off. Walking up through the center, you can see how it's pretty wide and easy access into the cockpit of the boat. That's because the seat actually just folds into place. So if you're swimming, anchored out, fishing even, you can fold that flat and access the back of the boat pretty easy, or you can close it and then open up the seating here. And on each side of the seat, there is a fish box and a live well on this side. And underneath there's access to batteries, pumps, switches. Underneath that helm, there's a nice drawer for tackle, a Yeti cooler. And coming up to the helm, there's a nice double wide helm seat with bolsters on each side, armrests. Then you have your controls, your Mercury data screen, and then 2 Garmin displays for navigation, and then digital switching for lights, different systems on the boat. It's a 3-piece enclosed helm, which is nice because you're protected when you're sitting here. But then there's also up at the top, you can see a little vent. So if you do want air to circulate through, you can. And directly above, oh, sorry with the light, Fusion stereo and a VHF radio. There's rod holder storage on each side. And then this is actually a pretty cool feature. There's 4 rod holder places on each side of the console. On the floor on both sides, 2 additional fish boxes. And then nice wide bow seating. What's nice about the WorldCats and catamarans in general is that the beam of the boat extends all the way almost up to the bow, so you have that wide space, wide seating throughout the entire boat. Up here there's bolsters that swing around so you can lounge facing forward, or when tuck them away when you're fishing, you have more space to move about the boat. You can see how it's set up on that side. And here's that second or third fish box. Raw water access, the other rod storage up on the console. And underneath each side, oh, move this out of the way. Additional fish box. Cooler. So both self-draining on each side. Another nice feature is this centerpiece folds out, so you can use it as a casting platform when you're fishing. Just more, easy access up in the bow area. Moving up to the bow, windlass system, and then storage on each side. Obviously, this side is where the anchor line is, and then the remote for the windlass. Turn around real quick in the center. Nice easy access for storage. You could put a porta potty in here. Then there's your switching for battery switches, fuses. Again, my name is Eric Mooney. If you have any additional questions about this boat or any other WorldCat model that we offer, please do not hesitate to reach out.